So there's some new drone footage out of Russian trenches in the Chernobyl exclusion zone. This is something that I've been looking forward to getting because there's been a lot of stories of Russians getting radiation sickness, and they even said that one died. And I really wanted to get to the bottom of this because supposedly they were digging trenches in the Red Forest, and this is where they got their radiation sickness. Since I haven't been able to get really any evidence of actual radiation sickness, I figured that this would probably help me out. Alright, so there's the trenches there, next to this road in this intersection. Turns around, and then now in the distance, that's Chernobyl. It's going to zoom into it. The moment I saw this footage, I started investigating. Is that the Red Forest? In the footage, you can see this intersection next to this power line pole. And in Google Earth, I was able to find that intersection next to that pole. And you can see that intersection here, and this is the location of the digging. Here it is zoomed out a little bit. There's the intersection again, location of the digging. The Red Forest is actually this right here. So this picture right here is actually back in 1986, showing that forest dying, which gave it the name Red Forest. The trenches are way over here. Again, Red Forest is up here. This is the area of the digging. I was able to look up this location. And just to confirm, I took that drone image here and lined it up with Google Maps to show that the Red Forest is actually over here. So we can comfortably say that these trenches were not actually in the Red Forest. But maybe it's still a highly contaminated area. So a friend of mine helped me out with this. He took this IAEA report and took a picture out of it and overlaid it onto Google Maps. This right here is where those trenches were. This is area location 13. And if you look right here, site 13 was totally decontaminated in the years right after the accident. So it was certainly stupid that Russia was digging around in the exclusion zone, but that footage was not of digging in the Red Forest. There's also some images on Facebook of supposed digging in the Red Forest, but I was able to confirm that this was in the same location.